so high, high, high.
Alright guys, so we are back with another video. Today's unit is from KlaiyiHair. So I'm going to quickly unbox her and then we'll get right into the details of the unit. Today's unit, I do have their 4x4 fake scalp closure wig. As you guys can see, the texture is body wave. The length of this unit is 24 inches and the density is about 150%. This is the overall construction of the unit. There's 3 combs and it does include a pair of drawstrings. This unit also comes with a pre-made part, so you don't have to struggle with that. They gave it to us already. It's already done. So I'm just showing you guys the unit up close because I wanted you guys to see how it was constructed. This is not a closure wig where you're able to part all over the unit. This is like a closure unit with edges. So that whole lace portion right there, you cannot part. The only part that is available is to clean up the middle part that is already given. So do be mindful when purchasing this. It's not a full lace closure. It's just a unit constructed like a closure with the fake scalp added onto it, and then you can add baby hairs. So hopefully that made sense. But now I'm just going to go ahead and detangle the hair. As you guys can see, it is nice and soft, straight out. I did get a little bit of shedding here for the first time detangling the hair, but that is something to expect when first unboxing your unit. So I am going to go ahead and straighten up the part just a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and prep for securing down the lace. I'm going to pin my hair back and move the lace off of my forehead and just pull it back a little bit. Now I'm going to take my got2b glue high insta hold spray, and we're just going to spray it all over the section where the lace is going to lay. So you're going to go from lace to lace, that section right there. I do spray about 3 to 4 layers just to have a strong hold. For you guys that are new, this is not any type of glue or adhesive or anything. It's just a strong hairspray. So now you want to take your blow dryer on a cool heating setting and you want to blow dry until it's tacky. You'll know when it's tacky because you'll take your finger and touch it and it'll be sticky. So then you'll pull the lace down, and I'll take my comb and help press that into my forehead, and you're just going to do it right on the section where you place the got2b glue. And then you're going to take your blow dry again on a cool heating setting, and then you're going to just blow dry it again just to make sure everything is secure. You can tug on it a little bit too. That'll let you know whether you have to add more, or if it just doesn't lift up, girl, you got it. So now I'm just going to take some scissors and create some jagged edges, and we're going to cut off the lace. Now I'm just going to take some concealer and I'm going to place it on the part. I love my parts to pop and show off and show out. So now is the baby hairs. This step is optional. If you guys are not a fan of baby hairs, you don't have to do this step. You can just move on to styling your unit. I'm just going to go ahead and pull out some of the hair around the perimeter of the closure and create some baby hairs. So like I said, you can't part anywhere you would like on this unit, because if you try to part, you're just going to run into the tracks. But around the perimeter is a section where you can create baby hairs. Before I completely finish my baby hairs, I love to go in with a heat and protecting spray. This is one by Beyond the Zone, and I like to go in with my hot comb and flat iron the closure. I love for everything to look nice and neat and laid and flat, so I do this prior to doing my baby hairs. I feel like it's just easier for me to have my baby hairs blended into the closure. When it's all puffy and not laying as flat as it would like, I feel like it's just hard for it to blend, but hey, that's just me. So for my baby hairs, I'm just going to take scissors and cut at an angle, and then I'm just going to use some got2b glue to shape and mold my baby hairs. I use the gel depending on my mood, but most of the time I just spray my brush with the got2b glue hairspray and swoop my baby hairs. Alright guys, so I'm just going to place my scarf on for a few moments just to let it sit. I always feel like I can't leave my scarf on while I'm styling the unit. I don't know why, but that's what I do. So I'm just going to cut some layers into the hair and actually cut a few inches off because I was going for like a more shorter vibe today. So I'm going to do that first, and then we're going to take that scarf back off. If you're in a rush, I would just advise you to just blow dry it till it's dry, but I'm not in a rush today. I'm early today, so I'm just going to take my time, and we're going to cut a little bit of layers into the unit. Now, I am cutting the layers backwards. Normally, you're supposed to do it the other way with my hand in the front, with the scissors in the front, framing towards my face, but we're just going to do it this way today. I don't know if I was trying to try something new at this point, but this is what we're doing. As you guys can see, it came out bomb. Okay, I love this unit, y'all. I love the density. It's very, very thick and full. I don't know, I just went with the flow. I just feel like this is the perfect length, and I'm still cutting layers in, as you guys can see, but I was just feeling it. I was just like, okay, it's coming together. So now I'm taking my Sebastian Shaper Plus spray. I always put this on my hair before I curl it, y'all. I found this at Sally's, and I just can't stop using it. I'm completely obsessed. So I'm just gonna do some backward curls onto this hair, and let me tell you guys, this particular unit, Body Wave, it is amazing for curls. Okay, I wouldn't recommend straight hair for curls because it's definitely loose, but for body wave hair, y'all, I'm just here for it. So we're gonna do that, and yeah. So we are done, and I'm so obsessed. Okay, I love this. I just love this unit, y'all. This is so freaking bomb. So I just went ahead and flattened out the top of the unit once more, and I'm using some. I think I used some Shaper Plus spray as well, but I'm taking a wide tooth comb and combing out the curls. You don't want to use a small tooth comb or a fine tooth comb because it's gonna destroy your look. So make sure you're using a wide tooth comb to comb everything out. Now, as you guys can see, I'm just gonna be going in and working with it and shaping and framing it to my face and how I like it. But I'm just all the way here for it. I love the length that I cut it at. I just felt like it was just giving me grown and sexy vibes. Now, this was one of my easiest installs I've ever done. Like I said in the beginning of the video, it's not a full 4x4 lace closure. It only comes with a part in the middle and then a perimeter or edges to create some baby hairs if you like. So it was so easy for me to install the unit. Now it did take me a little bit of time, of course, to add the layers and put the curls in it, but sis, look at the curls. Look how it just holds the curl. And when I'm telling you this unit holds curls, it holds curls. Like that whole evening I was out and even came back, and y'all, it was still sitting the same way. So I'm obsessed. When I tell y'all I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed. I would feel like this unit is a great beginner wig as well for the beginners, because it's not a lot of lace to work with, and it would give you just enough practice to where you're not getting frustrated and agitated because it's too, you gotta do this side, you're just doing the middle, literally the middle section of your head to install. So if you're a beginner, I definitely would recommend this. Also, for us lazy girls, when we're lazy and just need a quick install, I'm just ready to go, this is the unit. Okay, so enjoyed it. I did receive minor shedding and tangling throughout this process as well, but it wasn't an ongoing process. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. All information will be listed down in the description section below, and until next time, you girls, see you later. Bye guys.